Hello everyone, in this video I will show you if you can download and play Ananta on PC. To play the upcoming PC version of Ananta, you will need to wait for the official PC launcher to be released, as it is currently available for Android and iOS and is expected to arrive on PC, PS5 and mobile in 2026. You can pre-register on the official website at www.anantagame.com to be notified of the release. In the meantime, you can potentially use an Android emulator like BlueStacks on your PC to play the mobile version of the game once it's released, but the official PC version is still forthcoming. First, register your interest. Visit the official website and pre-register to receive updates about the game's release. Wait for the PC launch. The PC version is planned for release with its own dedicated launcher in 2026. Use an Android emulator. Once the mobile version is released, you can download an Android emulator like BlueStacks on your PC, install the Google Play Store, and download Ananta from there, similar to how you would on a mobile device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.